welcome to another vlog. Hope you guys are fine. So we are doing some renovation in my house. You guys can hear the noise. J'ai tombé pas le mal, c'est en bas que j'ai fait. Trying to prepare my lunch. I'm using a plantain and fish chicken. I like this thing, see, everything is just inside. If not, we splash everywhere. That's why I like this. Let me eat. This was what we took for the wall. Can you guys see? Let me zoom in. We took this one for the wall of the bathroom. Then I'm thinking of, should we take black? Look at this black. But I want that place because what is there now is black. I don't want anything black. So I think we're going for this very one. It's beautiful too. I like it. with the touch of gold. You guys can see it with the touch of gold. But we are going for this for the floor. So I think instead of the black, we're going to take that one, because the one we are removing from it now is black. I don't want black again. Guys, this is me. So as I was saying, the one there is black, so I don't want anything black again. I want to change. So for a change, this is not bad. Yeah. Let's go. C'est bien?
C'est bon.
Ok.
On va juste voir les baguettes.
We are going to check other things. Les baguettes, c'est ça?
C'est ça, ouais.
We're going to check other things. We just finished, so we are going to collect the ties. So I decided to buy something too. I want to change the WC, how do they call it? The WC, they still call it in English, right? Of the toilet. So my hubby is not aware of this. He will be surprised. I want to surprise him, because if I tell him, say it's still new, it's still very new. I think I showed you guys, I think so, but it's old model, so I just want to change it. Since it's old model, I thought to myself, why not changing it? Because since I'm changing everything to new, all the old soft stuff should go away. So that is why I'm changing it now. Yeah, so we are done. Okay, let's go. It's Bobby that is cooking. You guys know what is here. We have some carrots. Then this elephant, I don't know how they call it. My name is poireau with poireau. So what you see that is red inside is this red wine. So he turned the whole of this red wine inside here. So that's why you see that it's red. You can even see it from the bottom. See the color from the bottom. So the full one like this, all these things anyway, it doesn't mean the full one like this, that's what he turned here. So he mix it with the meat, this beef, then we have carrots, some onions, poivron. C'est des poivrons?
Non, il n'y a pas de poivron, la carotte et...
Ça là c'est...
Poireau.
Poireau and poireau. I don't know what is called poireau.
Après, t'as de l'ail, des oignons.
And you have a garlic, onion in the mixture here. That's what we'll be having for dinner.
Ça cuit 3 heures.
Cook this for 4 hours in a low heat, very low heat. So guys, this is it. It's ready. So we are eating it with Irish potato. This thing cooked for over 4 hours. Not really 4 hours. So guys, today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday that I went to get those ties. I did not vlog. Okay, I showed you guys what my hubby was preparing. Yes, what do you want? Ah, you want my camera? No, c'est pas pour toi. It's not for you. Okay? So today is Monday. Yeah, the guy is working. Pardon that noise. That's the noise you guys are hearing because he's trying to cut the ties. He's installing the ties now. My baby is just disturbing. Okay. This morning I want to do, I'm washing beans, okay? I'm washing beans. I want to do akara and okay, just akara. Then the rest I'm going to put them inside freezer. You want me to give him my camera? It's not possible. So as I was saying, I'm washing beans. So what the this is difficult. Oh la la, it's so difficult to wash all these beans, but I don't have choice. That's why I wash mush, then I put it in freezer. So anytime I want to prepare akara more, I will just bring it out from freezer, take the little I want, and I will blend. So that's what I do. I wanted to say something, but I forgot the thing I want to say. This cookie that is shouting. So that's what I do. And for those of you that don't know, maybe vous parlez français, vous ne comprenez pas anglais. C'est l'haricot blanc. J'ai essayé de laver l'haricot blanc. J'enlève la chair. J'ai mis au congélateur. Chaque fois que je voulais utiliser, je sors et j'ai mixé. et j'ai fait tout ce que je voulais faire avec. Et maman, j'ai fait quelque chose qui s'appelle moi au Nigeria et beignet de... Et j'ai fait des beignets aussi, beignets, ça fait beignet d'haricots blancs. Je vais vous montrer si j'arrive à tout laver. If I can, I will show you guys. But it's not easy. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. It's not easy at all to wash all these beans. This was just crying.
Hold on, baby, I don't dance, but how I love to be around you. I'm not scared to take a chance. Yeah, I'm so happy that I found you. And you know that I'm yours, alright. You can tell by the look in my eyes. Don't wanna play it cool, I gave it straight from the heart. Oh, how I love to be around you. We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you.
Good morning, guys. We just woke up and this is what baby wants. You guys can see his toys everywhere. This is what he's doing this morning. We just woke up after he took his breakfast. He went to collect this mat. He was calling me, mama, come and lie my mat, his leg. I helped him to lie the mat. He went to pick all his toys. The daddy kept them inside his bed there. So he's giving me slippers. Yes, put it in my leg. Put it in my leg. Thank you. We have an appointment this afternoon for him. His vaccination. So we'll be going this afternoon. The appointment is around 4 p.m. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing great. We are fine. We're going for appointments. We are running late with baby. We are running late as it is right now. We are running late. So guys, let's go. Come with us to baby's appointment. Let's go. So guys, we just are right now. Just finished from the appointment. We are going. The wind is so windy today, as if there's cold, but because of the wind is just blowing cold. That's the thing. If not, it's not cold. The sun is up, but because of the wind, you'll be catching cold. Baby cried like never before. Sure, if I tell you guys how I cried then, because they injected him, he was just crying. When he was smaller, do you guys know he don't cry? Even if they inject him, he don't cry, nothing. But as he's getting bigger, he's just like something else. Each time he see the doctor, he will be crying. I remember the last time we came to, he was just crying. I was like, man, qu'est-ce qui va pas, boubou? Je comprends pas pourquoi tu pleures. You guys understand? Anyway, they said his babies, they are like that, they change. Even the doctor told me, they said they change. He said before, he's not aware of all these things, but now he's conscious of what they are doing. He's seeing everything very well, so that is why he's crying. I complained to him that my baby don't eat. He said, but his weight is very, very okay, that we don't need any supplements for him. He said, okay. I was telling him to give us some supplements, food supplements. He said, no, there's no need, because his weight is perfectly okay, that is growing very, very well. I said, okay. So that is it, our appointment. I'm happy about it. Everything went well. Everything is just so perfect, and I'm happy. Each time I'm coming to see doctor for baby, I just hope everything will be okay, everything will be perfect. They'll tell me everything is good, and yeah, everything is good. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much, guys, for coming with me. I really appreciate. Please, if you like it here, subscribe, share this video, and give it a thumbs up, okay? If you like it, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Ciao.